Mitosis is a cell duplication or reproduction process in which one cell produces two genetically identical daughter cells. The term mitosis refers to the duplications and dispersions of chromosomes, which are the structures that carry genetic information. Mitosis is divided into four stages: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. The initial steps of mitosis in animal cells and the second stage of mitosis in plant cells is known as prophase. Because of interphase replications and the cells has two identical copies of each chromosomes. At the starts of prophase, these copies are known as sister chromatids and are linked by a DNA region known as the centromere. The scattered chromatin in the cell's nucleus increasingly condensed into well defined chromosomes, each comprised of two identical sister chromatids. During this stage, the alignment of the chromosomes along the cell's middle midline characterized the metaphase stage of cell division. Prophase comes before metaphase, which is followed by anaphase. Anaphase is the stage of cells division during which the chromosomes migrate apart of two opposite poles of the spindle. Anaphase is followed by metaphase and by telophase. Telophase is the last stage of cell division during which the chromosomes travel to opposing ends the cells and two nuclei from anaphase